Hey guys, this is hold on. This is Daniel. So I have a Dodge Ram. These Dodge Rams commonly have a seal that goes out behind these third cab lights, these brake lights. So my son and I today are gonna go ahead and pop this baby off and check it out and maybe put some silicone on it and hopefully that'll fix it. Okay, Elijah, you got your batteries in reverse? I mean the drill in reverse?
I didn't do anything to it.
Hold the drill right here on the back and with this hand. Now that you got your drill bit in there, look, I can't film you and do it, son. Pick it up straight. Okay, go. Oh, whoa.
What?
You got to push it. Don't strip that out.
You're doing this.
Push. Go.
Pushing.
All right, grab your screw and put it in your magnetic tray. That way we don't lose them. Go over here and make sure you're straight and you push. Yep. Whoa.
I didn't need you.
Elijah.
I want to push.
Look, when you put the drill here, it has to be straight.
That's what it was fast.
Yeah, that wasn't there before. Grab your bit. All right, now do these two. And be careful. Push it hard. There you go. Good job. Just take your time. You don't got to be in no rush. All right, set your drill down. And see if that light will come out at all. See what we got going on.
What's coming out?
The whole thing.
The whole light?
Oh, there we go. All right, now turn it and let's check out that gasket. Yeah, so you guys can see right here, there's a little bit of wear and you can see where it's dry rotted. Yeah, that sucks. So I'm sure that we could get another gasket, but I did this before. Yeah, look at that right there where my thumb's at, Elijah. See the cracks?
Yeah.
That's the problem. So I just got some kind of, here, here, take the phone. Don't cover up the camera. I'm just gonna unscrew this. We're just gonna clean it up a little bit. Or unplug it, I mean. Okay, buddy. I'm gonna pause the video and then we'll continue after we get the silicone out and ready. So I just got this seal all stuff. I think I got it at Lowe's or I don't know. I really don't know where it come from, but it's clear. It cleans up really good. So what you want to do is clean this spot really good with some Windex, get all that crap off there. And then we're gonna put the silicone around this gasket and hope to God it works. We'll be back, guys. All right, so my helper here is gonna clean the surface where we're gonna be applying the silicone. No, just around there. Here, grab your rag. And you gotta really get it clean. That black stuff, it needs to come off there. Just push it when you push it with your hand when you're cleaning, Elijah. With the rag, push it hard. There you go. Look. If you take your finger and just do like this, see that?
Okay.
There you go. Use your thumb. Good job. It has to be clean because otherwise the silicone won't take and then we'll just be wasting our time. You're doing great, buddy. If you need more spray, go ahead and use it. Oh, buddy, look at this gasket right here too. Look,
I see.
it looks like even maybe that one's even pinched in. Maybe somebody's replaced this windshield, I bet. So what we'll do is we'll put a dab of silicone right there too. Here, let me help you out. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Take your thumb and really, all right, now don't waste it. That's McGuire's, buddy. That's expensive. Get your thumb in there and really, like I said, short strokes. There you go. Awesome.
found.
You still got a little bit there. We got to make sure all that crap's off. It has to be perfectly clean. Here, let me see your rag real quick.
I'm trying to get it the best I can.
You're doing great. We're going to be YouTube famous, Elijah. All right, so we got that surface area good and clean. Next, we're going to apply the silicone to the gasket. All right, Elijah, this is where it gets messy. Okay, so where was the bad part?
It says right here.
Yeah, it was on the edge. You know what we might do? I think I got a caulk gun in there. Let's see if I got some silicone in a tube, because this stuff is going to be messy putting that on there. Okay, son. So what we did, look, we put a bead of that silicone stuff. Get your fingers off back. And Elijah is going to slide it in there, and we're going to bolt it back up. I'm just going to help. Yeah, there you go. All right, son, get your screws. I got you already on the way you need to go. Make sure you're straight, even, yep. And push on the back of the drill when you push the trigger. Yep. Good. Get you another screw. Excellent job. Make sure you're good and straight and apply pressure at the back of the drill. Straight. Yep. There you go. Excellent. Get your next one. Make sure your drill's straight. Yep. Awesome. Next one. Shh, Kayla. 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 All right. Push it on the back of the drill. Yeah. That way, when you're doing that, so you don't strip your screws. All right. Excellent job. Let me have that real quick. Let me just run it back real quick. And then we'll get that rag and we'll...
Do I have to touch it again?
No. So always make sure that your, I don't really know what that's called, but your thing's set way, way low. That way it don't crack that glass when you're drilling. You'll drill sensitivity lock. I don't really know what they call it. But, and then always take your rag and get this excessive. Here, Elijah, film. Don't cover your hands right on the good grease in. Here, film this. And make sure you get all this crap off while it's still kind of not hardened up. That way you won't have to worry about that later.
Is that stuff okay to get in wires that bottle?
Shh, look at the bugs in there. I should have got the bugs out of there.
It should have had head.
Okay. Oh. Our excess silicone kind of come out there. That's okay though. All right, son, I think we got it. We'll finish cleaning it up a little bit here, and that's pretty much what you can do. So in my other truck, I bought that gasket and scrubbed that one off and did the whole 9 yards, and it still leaked. So what I did was just what we did. We took the silicone, just put it on top of the gasket, and I had that truck almost 8 years, and it never leaked again. What'd you think, buddy? We got it, didn't we?
Yeah.
Thank you.